Take a look at this sunrise. Can we say stunning? This is one of the first mornings in quite some time that we haven't been talking about standing water out on the roadways and the runways. But remember, the ground is still saturated, so please keep that in mind. And if you have any standing water around your house, go ahead and toss it because mosquitoes love it, especially since temperatures are going to be so warm. Right now, we're coming in 63 degrees. Winds are out of our north at 5 miles per hour, and dew points are coming in the 50s. That's why it is so comfortable out there. We've got those northerly winds that'll continue to filter through, and that's going to suppress those dew points throughout the entire day. So what you see temperature wise is what you get. It's going to feel quite decent out there. 59 right now in Tappahannock, 64 in Petersburg, 52 over in Louisa. Now, of course, we had a few showers yesterday along the state line. They've since passed, and we do have a little bit of cloud cover out there, but it is very light, nothing too intense. This afternoon, we're going to have a whole lot of sunshine. So, you know, the sunscreen, the sunglasses, all of your springtime routines, you want to kick those back into gear because we're looking at a lot of that sunshine. And of course, sunset isn't until after the 8 o'clock hour. Tomorrow, you will notice a few clouds trying to push through, particularly west of I-95. That's ahead of our next system, but Friday is looking to be dry. However, Saturday, I do look to see some isolated showers and some thunderstorms popping up. Majority of you will stay on the drier side of things, but don't be surprised, especially if you're traveling west, if you do encounter an isolated shower or two. At this time, I'm not anticipating anything to turn severe. But let's take a look what's going on in the tropics. I'm keeping a very close eye on the system that is rather close to the Yucatan Peninsula. Regardless if it matures or not, it's going to continue to push its way into the Gulf and then end up right around into locations into Alabama, Mississippi, as well as Georgia. But even though it's not going to go up the East Coast, we're still going to see our share of rain because it does have quite the span. So when it comes over the next few days, we'll have some on and off showers. Some locations will receive upwards of an additional 2 inches. That means for the month as a whole, we'll be upwards of 12. Really making us the wettest May on record. It'll be a record that will be hard to beat in years to come. Temperatures today, 84, 85 tomorrow. Nice, dry, and just beautiful. And then as we head into the weekend, you'll notice those dew points will slowly begin to climb. It's going to feel a little bit more muggy, and temperatures overnight will not drop as much. We'll be waking up in the upper 60s to low 70s with afternoons in the 80s. Rob, Reba.